होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल शोर गामा का बॉम्बे तक है।
ब्लैक में टिकट लेके फिल्म देखता था।
Because I am very proud of where I am today.
जिस दिन से मैं एक्टर बना, भगवान की दया से मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला।
बेला का क्या मैसेज है स्त्री को? I think बेला wishes स्त्री all the very best and lots of love and success.
क्या पिक्चर बनाया सर, क्या पिक्चर आपने बनाया है। क्या मतलब ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा ही होता है हमारे गांव में, हमारे छोटे शहर में ऐसा ही होता है। इसे हम सब गए थे जॉन इब्राहिम को देखने के लिए, हम वापस बाहर आए शर्वरी के देखने।
हेलो टू एवरीवन वाचिंग अस ऑन मामा राजी, दिस इज अमर और आज मैं हूं वेदा के कास्ट और डायरेक्टर के साथ। आई हैव विद मी निखिल अडवाणी सर, शर्वरी एंड अभिषेक। वेलकम गाइस।
Hello.
हाउ इज गोइंग? प्रमोशन हेक्टिक और फन?
Fun.
ओके निखिल सर, आप तो बहुत कम हम लोग को मिलते हैं फॉर इंटरव्यू स्पेशली, तो मेरे को आपसे हमेशा एक चीज़ पूछनी थी। यू हैव बीन एन एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर फॉर बिग फिल्म्स, लाइक अगर मैं लिस्ट चालू करूँ तो दिस कुछ कुछ होता है, दिस मोहब्बत है, दिस कभी खुशी कभी गम, बिफोर यू स्टार्टेड प्रॉपर्ली। सो आई वांट टू आस्क अबाउट दोज टाइम्स, उस टाइम्स के बारे में इफ यू कैन टॉक स्पेशली अबाउट कभी खुशी कभी गम।
They'll have to leave. I don't stop talking about those times. Those times are the times that life was much simpler.
Core
and
memories.
Oof, so I mean, yeah, I mean that simpler times, better films.
Yes,
Yeah.
simpler time. And where is John sir? वो किसी और मिशन पे निकल गए हैं क्या? We are not seeing him in promotions. Has he taken another like या अगली मूवी की शूट में? Is he?
No, he's hurt his shoulder.
Oh.
Rotator cuff he has hurt because he went for the first day of promotions. He went to Leh Ladakh, and he got very excited because he gets very excited when he sees young soldiers and soldiers all over. So he went there, and then he didn't listen to his doctor, and his went to Dehradun for some other event in Delhi, and he has ruined it, and he's got an MRI. He's had an MRI, and so yeah, he's
Okay, we hope he recovers soon and gets back with full force. Now, multiple releases, and I believe as a viewer, more the merrier concept पे मैं बहुत मानता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारा option होता है and we are the most populated country in the world. What is your headspace now? Because multiple films are releasing, all are big ticket films, and some people say that okay, festive वाला वो जो tap करते हैं makers, as a maker especially, and आपकी तो 2 films आ रही हैं, so it happens very rarely for an actor, which is great. So if you can talk about that.
why don't you ask? Why didn't the person who's got 2 films answer this question?
Yes.
I don't know. For me, to like I'm a movie lover.
Yeah.
I used to bunk colleges, college class, and go watch movies. मैं मतलब black में टिकट लेके फिल्म देखता था.
बिल्कुल.
So for me it was very important to actually watch movies on a Friday. I don't know why I used to always have this thing about Friday. और चाहे वो अच्छी फिल्म हो, बुरी फिल्म हो, बाद में कमेंट या क्रिटिक करते थे, but I used to always go and watch movies.
बिल्कुल.
So I feel that there are many more movie lovers like me, and as you said that, as you rightly said, that we are a huge population and we are a very filmy country.
Yeah.
Generally also.
वो अपने DNA में.
Yeah. We romance also filmy way.
बिल्कुल.
हम लोग जब लड़ते हैं तो भी filmy way में लड़ते हैं. हम when we are like crying or we are upset about something, we have this cinema culture going on.
Yeah.
So I feel it's great, and also it's been long since we've had such big films releasing in the theaters. So like how people say that OTT, there's always an option.
Yeah.
You can flip from one thing to another. It's the same now in theater. So I think if we're giving them choices, that's good only.
बिल्कुल. अगर किसी मूवी का और का टिकट नहीं मिले तो किसी और में चल जाओ.
हाँ, पहले ऐसा होता था. मैंने सौदागर ऐसी देखी थी. I don't remember which film वो किसके साथ रिलीज हुई थी, but some big film के साथ clash हुआ था. And my family, we went and we did not get the tickets. तो पास में दूसरा हॉल था, उसमें सौदागर लगा हुआ था. Brilliant film.
Yeah.
So you know that's how the culture was.
Definitely. और शर्वरी, आप तो उस यूनिवर्स से अभी आपने अपना स्टार्ट कर दिया. इट बिकेम व्हाट इट बिकेम, 100 करोड़ प्लस. बेला का क्या मैसेज है स्त्री को?
बेला का क्या मैसेज है स्त्री को? आई थिंक बेला विशेस स्त्री ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड सक्सेस.
बिल्कुल. एंड जो मैं आपको पहले बोलने वाला था कि अब मैं इंस्टाग्राम खोलता हूँ, मेरे को शर्वरी दिख जाती हैं. शी इज ओमनी प्रेजेंट एंड नॉट जस्ट ओमनी प्रेजेंट, गुड टू द आईज. शी इज ऑलवेज परफेक्टली पैकेज. इतनी अच्छी आप मूवीज कर रही हैं. अल्फा इज कमिंग, महाराज also did very well. What according to you has worked for you? यहीं पे आपको
What according to me?
do you has worked specifically for you?
I don't know. I can't pinpoint.
Yeah.
I can't pinpoint one thing, but I think what has worked for me as an individual is just the fact that I kept going, and the fact that I was very relentless about my goal, and I think that's worked for me as a person. I don't know what has worked for me with the audience. That I don't have an answer to. I don't know that. But for me, I think that the fact that for all these years I had a dream and I said I will keep fighting each day for it, and I will keep moving towards that direction, even in face of any adversity. For me, I think that that has just worked for me, because I'm very proud of where I am today. And and you know, and in so many ways I feel that Veda's story is also very similar, which is why it's such a special film for me, that the film is about never giving up. You know, and in face of anything that comes your way, she just never gives up. And I think that I have found so much inspiration while I was shooting for this film. Like, there have been times where even I've said to myself, I know it's strange, but as actors, I think we often do this. I've said that, you know, if Veda was in my place, she would have done this. And I've had those moments. I have gotten very, very inspired by her story. So I really hope that I'm able to make the audiences also feel like that.
Definitely. We are also equally proud of you, and consistency is the key. मेरे को ट्रेलर में एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी, that जो पुराने टाइप के ट्रेलर्स होते थे वो पूरे एकदम लंबे ट्रेलर्स जो होते थे जिनमें पूरा आपको एक ओवरव्यू दिखता था. द ट्रेलर ऑफ वेदा टुक मी बैक इन दैट टाइम, एंड बिकॉज नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वेदा, आई वांट टू आस्क यू निखिल सर, व्हाट इज द यूएसपी ऑफ द फिल्म जो आपको लगता है which will force the viewer to go to the audience, buy the ticket and watch.
Yesterday we had a screening for 116 people, right? Okay. And they were all cast crew, a lot of the A crew and HODs with their spouses and their families. And my driver, he's been with me for 25 years now. He's the guy who basically on May 1st, 2010, he sat in my car and he said, 2011 I think, he sat in my car and he said, यार अगर ओसामा को पकड़ सकते तो हम लोग दाऊद को क्यों नहीं पकड़ सकते? And I said, यार it's a picture बनाते हैं. And he's not spoken, he knows very well that the time when I'm in my car, I like to be, you know, answering emails, looking at some edits, you know, talk WhatsApp now, everything is on WhatsApp, right? You can run a production on WhatsApp. So I don't like to be this thing. So, you know, it's a very big quiet time for me. He sat in the car yesterday, and as soon as I sat, he said, क्या पिक्चर बनाया सर, क्या पिक्चर आपने बनाया है, क्या मतलब ऐसा ही होता है हमारे गांव में, हमारे छोटे शहर में ऐसा ही होता है, औरतों के साथ, लड़कियों के साथ यही होता है. और ये मतलब he actually I think it's the review. He said हम सब गए थे जॉन अब्राहम को देखने के लिए, हम वापस बाहर आए शर्वरी के देख.
अरे वाह, wow, that's a win for her.
You know, and my daughter and some other friends and they're younger, they're 20-year-old girls, and they said, Nikhil uncle, we were just waiting for her to reach. We were waiting for her to reach. So that's a very big like a tick mark in my this thing. You know, if you ask me 2 days ago and 3 days ago, what do you think about Clash on? So I was being very cool. I gave so many interviews. I said, yeah, it's hona chahiye, 52 films and this and that. But now I'm like, matlab, yaar, ye chalni chahiye. Because matlab, it's very important that people. We made a film with a lot of love.
And it shows.
A lot of love, you know, and people's. People have, you know, really given everything to this film. I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud.
Away from the action, आपकी movies में एक emotional tangent भी होता है which touch the people. I mean, the OG is Kal Ho Na Ho. We all know. I love that film. इसमें repeat value इतनी अच्छी है, and my all-time favorite actress is Preeti Zinta. So I keep going back to that film. Why are you keeping us deprived, the audience deprived of that OG world of Nikhil Advani, romantic drama?
I'm not keeping anybody deprived. I'm
something coming?
Mentally, lots of things are going on inside my head. One of them happens, one compartment happens to be thinking about rom-com and a love story again. I'm 53, yeah. You know, today, for me at the age of 53, companionship is more important than you know.
Yes.
And really, guys, come on, yeah. Y'all are falling in love on WhatsApp and you are breaking up on. There's no Snapchat anymore. This should be my comment. You are falling in love on WhatsApp and breaking up on Snapchat. Snapchat is also gone, right?
Instagram.
Nowadays, Insta, right? It's Insta.
On DM.
I asked my daughter. So he's just come from a summer course. I said, so have you made friends over there? You know, and have you exchanged phone numbers? Dad, we exchange Insta.
Yes.
What is this happening? So yeah, so
click a photo and
I have to understand what love is right now.
Yeah. But even जैसे आपने companionship की बात की, we would love mature love story when it's and with the age appropriate casting, we will love you to direct something like that. Now Abhishek, you also work into casting as well as into acting. It's like जैसे हो गया कि मैं movie देखने जा रहा हूँ and there's a PR there. So it's like that relationship that they want a review from us and we are reviewing the films. So how does it work? Like you are also an actor and you are also casting for actors?
I used to basically, the last time I stepped inside an audition room was, I think, 2019.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a casting?
Yeah, as a casting director, like taking an audition, I think it was 2018 or 2019 is what I remember. So yeah, I've not really been an active casting director. It's my company, so I run the company, and Anmol Ahuja, he's the guy who is running it. और या जिस दिन से मैं एक्टर बना, भगवान की दया से मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला to go and take other actors auditions. Though I love the job, so ऐसा नहीं है कि sometimes I crave to go back because sometimes you learn a lot from those from other actors, and when you are trying to help them, you also learn a few things about your own technique. So yeah, there's no.
I was seeing some workshop. It was only happening about the art of giving auditions. Sif auditions ke around bhi workshops.
This is because I realize as an actor I suck at auditions. ठीक है, मुझसे नहीं होता है because मेरा process अलग है और मुझे समझ में ये आया कि ये medium ही अलग है auditions का. Some actors are brilliant.
Yeah, he's right.
Some actors are very good. They can just go read a scene and crack it. I need some time, and there are like other actors who I know who need time with the director, who need to spend time at a location or wherever they're shooting, and then slowly they get into characters. Audition is बहुत ही वो एक beginning का part है. तो that's when I think I thought with my Manoj Sharma, who manages the whole workshop, that why don't we just do a workshop for actors only for this medium.
The art of auditions.
The art of auditions.
बिल्कुल. निखिल सर, बहुत सारे राइटर्स आते हैं, जैसे मैं भोपाल से हूँ, कुछ लोग लखनऊ से. दे कम, वो आते हैं अपनी स्टोरीज के साथ, बट उन्हें एक वो एंट्री पॉइंट पता नहीं होता कि हाउ टू अप्रोच अ प्रोड्यूसर और अ फिल्म मेकर. एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एज अ फिल्म मेकर, हाउ एक्सेसिबल आर यू टू दोज राइटर्स जिनको पता ही नहीं है कि एंट्री पॉइंट कैसे है, अगर आप उनको कुछ बता पाएं.
Constantly warned and berated by my production team whenever I go for any kind of event where people come up to me and say, "Sir, can I have your number?" and I give my number. Oh, wow. Mr. Bachchan replies to all emails and replies to all messages, right? I mean, my birthday, the first thing I know for 27th ka midnight cross ho gaya, 28th April ho gaya, you get a message from Mr. Bachchan.
Oof, wow.
Right. So if Mr. Bachchan has the time and has the inclination and has the discipline of replying to people, why don't we have? I mean, what are we doing that is more important than what Mr. Bachchan is doing?
Yes.
I want to know. I want to ask this question to anybody.
Yeah. I hope all the budding writers are listening. And before we wrap up, before we wish the movie all the luck, Sharvari, मैंने आपका फिर से सुबह आज एक वीडियो देखा था, रैपिंग वीडियो. If you can rap for us, for the viewers of Mama Rani.
मेरा तो वीडियो वही था कि मैं रैप नहीं कर पा रही थी. मैंने तो I had made this video just because I was trying my luck at rapping. और मैं सब उल्टा सीधा बोल दूंगी क्योंकि
रैप किया तुमने?
जो मेरा जो गाना है होलिया, उसमें MC Square का जो रैप पोर्शन है, उसमें मैंने वो किया था. It was on the lines of होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल, शोर गामा का बॉम्बे तक है. इतना ही कर सकती हूँ मैं यार.
But it was very fun. I love that video.
Thank you. मेरे जैसे लोग जो रैप नहीं कर पाते हैं, मैंने उनके लिए वीडियो बनाया था.
And it has reached those people.
It's reached you.
बिल्कुल it has. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. I wish
Thank
you,
you.
all the best for a movie as special as Veda.
Thank you.
And looking to see you forward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Advani.
Hi, I'm Shadvari,
Hi, I'm Abhishek Banerjee.
and you're watching us on Mamarazzi.
Need time with the director, who need to spend time at a location or wherever they're shooting, and then slowly they get into characters. Audition is बहुत ही वो एक beginning का part है. तो that's when I think I thought with my Manoj Sharma, who manages the whole workshop, that why don't we just do a workshop for actors only for this medium,
The art of auditions.
the
Yes.
art of auditions.
बिल्कुल निखिल सर बहुत सारे राइटर्स आते हैं, जैसे मैं भोपाल से हूँ, कुछ लोग लखनऊ से, दे कम वो आते हैं अपनी स्टोरीज के साथ, बट उन्हें एक वो एंट्री पॉइंट पता नहीं होता कि हाउ टू अप्रोच अ प्रोड्यूसर और अ फिल्म मेकर. एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एज अ फिल्म मेकर, हाउ एक्सेसिबल आर यू टू दोज राइटर्स जिनको पता ही नहीं है कि एंट्री पॉइंट कैसे है, अगर आप उनको कुछ बता
I'm
पाएं.
constantly warned and berated by my production team whenever I go for any kind of event where people come up to me and say, "Ki, sir, can I have your number?" And I give my number.
Oh, wow.
You know, yeah, Mr. Bachchan replies to all
Emails.
emails and
Yes.
replies to all messages, right? I
Yeah.
mean, my birthday, the first thing I know for 27th ka midnight cross ho gaya, 28th April ho gaya, you get a message from Mr. Bachchan,
Oof, wow.
right? So if Mr. Bachchan has the time and has the inclination and has the discipline of replying to people, why don't we have? I mean, what are we doing that is more important than what Mr. Bachchan is doing?
Yes.
I want to know. I want to ask this question to anybody.
Yeah, I hope all the budding writers are listening. And before we wrap up, before we wish the movie all the luck, शर्वरी, मैंने आपका फिर से सुबह आज एक वीडियो देखा था, रैपिंग वीडियो. If you can rap for us, for the viewers of
मेरा
Mamarazzi.
तो वीडियो वही था कि मैं रैप नहीं कर पा रही थी. मैंने तो आई मेड दिस वीडियो जस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज ट्राइंग माय लक एट रैपिंग, और मैं सब उल्टा सीधा बोल दूंगी क्योंकि
रैप किया तुमने?
जो मेरा जो गाना है होलिया, उसमें MC स्क्वायर का जो रैप पोर्शन है, उसमें मैंने वो किया था. It was on the lines of होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल, शोर गामा का बॉम्बे तक है.
Super,
इतना ही
super
कर
sweet.
सकती हूँ मैं यार.
But it was very fun. I love that video.
थैंक यू. मेरे जैसे लोग जो रैप नहीं कर पाते हैं, मैंने उनके लिए वीडियो बनाया था.
बिल्कुल. And it has reached those people.
It's reached you.
बिल्कुल it has. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. I wish
Thank
you all the best for a movie as special as Veda.
Thank you.
And looking to see you forward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Advani.
Hi, I'm Shadvari,
Hi, I'm Abhishek Banerjee.
and you're watching us on Mamarazzi.